Hello there once again. Welcome back to our Exam Review 3 series. This time we are doing problem 10a. In this problem, our job is to condense the logarithm 2 ln of x plus 1/2 ln of y minus ln of z minus 3 ln of u. The first thing we should do here is go ahead and move our exponents up to the top. So these numbers written in front are going to become the exponents. So we'll have natural log of x squared plus natural log of y to the 1/2 minus natural log of z minus natural log of u to the 3rd power. After we've moved our exponents up, we're going to write one large log. It's going to start with ln, and we'll put a fraction bar in the middle. Now, any terms that are positive are going to go to the top of that bar, and any terms that are negative are going to go to the bottom of that bar. So, ln of x squared is positive. It's going to go to the top. Y to the 1/2 is also positive. It's going to go to the top. Z has a negative sign next to it, so it's going to go to the bottom. And then u to the 3rd also is negative. It's going to go to the bottom as well. So our final answer is going to be on the top, x squared times y to the 1/2, and on the bottom we'll have z times u to the 3rd power. Also remember that y to the 1/2 is the same thing as square root of y. So you could write it that way, but writing y to the 1/2 isn't wrong. And there we have one large combined logarithm from the 4 terms we started with. Here's another example. Here we have log base 5 of x minus 1 plus log base 5 of x minus 1 minus 3 log base 5x. Once again, we're going to move our exponents. So this 3 at the front becomes an exponent on that x. We now have log base 5 of x minus 1 plus log base 5 of x minus 1 minus log base 5 of x to the 3rd power. Now once again, we're going to write a large log. So we'll have log base 5. We'll make it a fraction. And let's look at our terms and see if they are positive or negative. The first log base 5, this x minus 1, is positive. It goes to the top. The next x minus 1 is also positive. It goes to the top. But this x to the 3rd has negative sign in front of it, so it'll go to the bottom. So we'll have log base 5 of a fraction. On the top, we have x minus 1 times x minus 1. On the bottom, we have x to the 3rd. We could go a little bit further and FOIL the x minus 1 times x minus 1. If we multiply x times x, we get x squared. If we multiply x times negative 1, we get negative 1x. If we multiply the next negative 1 times x, we get another negative 1x. And then negative 1 times negative 1 gives positive 1. So if we rewrite our log base 5, we'll have on the top x squared minus 2x plus 1 over x to the 3rd. That is our combined logarithm. Thank you for watching. We'll see you soon with more review problems.